Welcome to the world of creative portfolio building with the Blockwheels Pro Plugin. Let's embark on a journey to showcase your work in the most captivating way possible. To begin, install and activate the Blockwheels Pro Plugin. Now, let's navigate to the page where the portfolio block is intended to be placed. Scroll down to the section where the portfolio block is to be added. Click on the block holder section and the plus icon. Next, click the Browse All button to view all available blocks and search for Blockwheels. Locate and click the portfolio block to add it to the page. By default, the portfolio block is placed with 3 portfolio placeholders. You can start updating the content by adding a heading, description of the work, and uploading the image. Similarly, you can update the content details in the remaining portfolio blocks. To add an additional portfolio placeholder block, select the parent block and click on the plus icon. Then add your details to the placeholder block. To remove a certain portfolio block, click on the spotlight 3 dots icon and select the delete option. Once you are done updating the content, select the portfolio block and click the spotlight icon to further customize it. Click on the Filter tabs drop-down to add filter menu items. Define alignment, modify font properties, and set text and background color. Click on the column drop-down to set the number of team members to show per row, column gap, modify border properties, and column background color. Click on the content drop-down to enable/disable the image, heading, and description. Under the image drop-down, set the image ratio and border radius. Modify the text properties of the heading and description under the heading and description drop-down. Add additional CSS classes under advanced drop-down if needed. Furthermore, you can even customize the individual portfolio block by selecting a single portfolio. Click on the content drop-down to select the filter tab menu that we added earlier and set the background color independently. Similarly, select the filter tab menu for the remaining portfolio items to make them filterable. After completing customization, update the page and view it in a new tab. Here you have it. With the Blockwheels Pro Plugin, the possibilities are endless. Start crafting your digital portfolio today and let your creativity take center stage.